Puma concolor cori, which means the cat of one color. The Florida panther is the world's most endangered cat. There are only about 130 of these panthers known left in the wild. The Florida panther used to be the largest predator in an area that covered most of the southeast, from North Carolina all the way to Louisiana to the southernmost tip of Florida. But now, sadly, these beautiful creatures are only found in the southern corner of the peninsula of Florida. The Florida panther was subject to the ecological bottleneck effect. Through the years, as the population severely declined, the genetic diversity of the population has become very low, which is only causing more problems for the species. The inbreeding in the population has caused certain abnormalities now found regularly in the wild, such as a kink in the tail. There are many causes that have contributed to the large drop in population for these cats. One of the largest causes for the dramatic loss in habitat is housing developments that are continuing to grow and demolishing their ideal habitats in the wild. The increasing in these housing developments is causing these panthers to become in human contact much more often, which is causing huge problems like being hit by cars. Also, it is believed that the introduction of the Burmese pythons in the southern parts of Florida are affecting these cats' population. The introduction of this new apex predator is causing a decline in the animals that the Florida panther would normally prey upon. The decline in prey would cause the population of the predator to decrease, so the Florida panthers are possibly being affected by the introduction of the Burmese python. So the real reason that the Florida panthers are declining is because of us. We are the reason that these beautiful creatures are declining, and we are the only ones that can help them. It is now our job to preserve their habitat and undo the things that we have caused.